The ZO Skin Brightening Program is a really excellent kit to start anyone off who has mild pigmentation concerns or general background sun damage, what we would call like a muddy complexion where you've got speckled tan throughout the skin, or for someone that has stronger pigmentation problems and they want to just prepare the skin for the next stage of treatment products, which might include retinol. So this kit is a fantastic place to start. It has a gentle cleanser, which is a lovely foaming blue gel cleanser, that's 60 mils. Then a travel size exfoliating polish at 16.2 grams, and that can be used 1 to 3 times a week depending on your own preference. Increasing exfoliation, by the way, does increase the purging of pigment from the surface of the skin, so it's always good to exfoliate if you're trying to reduce pigmentation. Then we have the complexion renewal pads, and there are 30 of those. That's essentially like your toning stage, and it reduces oil production in the skin, unclogs pores, reduces debris, and improves tone and texture. Following that, we have Daily Power Defense, 30 mils of that, and this is really our hero product for barrier repair and skin hydration. And it's a great way to start your treatment products. It's your sort of springboard for then adding treatment products on top. And the treatment product in this brightening program is called Bright Alive. And in this kit you get 30 mils of Bright Alive, which starts to break down existing pigment, and it prevents new pigment forming. It does it without retinol, so you won't experience any anticipated reaction within the skin, but you may then want to progress on 4 or 6 weeks later to add some brightening retinols, vitamin C, or other such products that your skin expert will guide you on depending on your skin type.